Welcome back to part 2 of my 3-part series on questions every manager should ask their employees. If you missed last week's video, you're going to want to go back to watch that for sure. We talked about understanding what motivates your employees. You're not going to want to miss it. Understanding what motivates your employees will set you apart from your competition in ways you won't even imagine. I hope you're up for a challenge. Today we're going to talk about an awesome 30-day challenge. One way to start a new employee or spice up a stagnant thinker is to do a 30-day assignment. They're going to answer the same 3 questions every day for 30 days. Just have the employee send it in a daily email to the boss. Yes, it's simple, but you can gain so much insight on what's going on in your company. Just have them answer these 3 simple questions every day. Number 1. What I did today and what was the result. Number 2, problems or challenges that came up today. And number 3, any questions I have for you. See, I told you it was simple. Whatever you do, don't miss next week's video. Last week we learned how to motivate our employees. Today we got a great 30-day challenge to light a fire under a stagnant employee or get a new hire off to a great start. But next week I'm going to give you my 3rd list. It's the 3 most valuable questions to ask your employees on an ongoing basis so you'll never be in the dark again. Seriously, don't miss it. As always, thanks for watching. See you next week for the finale of our 3-part series. Click like or subscribe if this video has helped you. See you next week. Drink Coca-Cola from Mexico.